Starting tomorrow, Ballard Health is expanding COVID-19 vaccine eligibility to anyone age 16 and older. Thanks for joining us tonight at 6. I'm Sarah Diamond.
I'm Josh Smith. The health system says even residents of other states can get vaccinated at the Ballard Health Community Vaccination Centers in Kingsport and Elizabethton. And this comes after Tennessee Governor Bill Lee announced yesterday all Tennesseans age 16 and older will be eligible for a COVID-19 vaccine by April 5th.
Febin Cassahoon found out how health officials are preparing for the anticipated increase in demand.
Sarah and Josh, good evening. Local healthcare systems and pharmacies are coming up with strategies to be able to prevent themselves from becoming overwhelmed with the increased number of vaccine registrations. Now, one pharmacist out of Greenville tells me that they've done enough trial and error from the initial rollout to be able to prepare themselves for this new phase.
We haven't run out. We've had no issues as far as giving second vaccines.
When we last spoke with Carly's Pharmacy in Greenville, pharmacists were preparing for their first vaccine supply. Since then, Jeff Ward says they figured out ways to remain efficient when giving residents immunity.
Using the website, it's really been a great way for us to manage a large number of people wanting information and being able to schedule them appropriate.
While they're holding steady with the current number of patients, local healthcare systems like Ballard Health and the Sullivan County Regional Health Department are hoping to expand and are pushing for more vaccine locations.
We hope for an influx. We have the supply. We're ready to give the vaccine.
Ballard's Chief Infection Prevention Officer Jamie Swift says the healthcare system will continue to distribute about 1,000 vaccines a week at its vaccine pod in Elizabethton and Kingsport.
We are still giving Pfizer. Pfizer is the only one that licensed for 16 and 17-year-olds. So you need to make sure if you're making an appointment for a 16 or 17-year-old that it's a site like ours that has Pfizer, and a parent does have to be with them.
We're in a foot race between the variants and getting this vaccine out to protect us from those variants.
Dr. Stephen May with Sullivan County says it's still limited by the vaccine inventory and hopes more will come soon.
We know we have 150,000 people that need at least 2 shots. That's 300,000 doses. And as of yesterday, we've given 63,000 doses. So we've got a long way to go.
Health officials ask that Tennesseans wait just a little bit longer before they discontinue safety measures. Now, the last thing they want is for the region to rebound the number of cases. Live in Johnson City, Febin Cassahoon, News Channel 11.
Ballard Health COVID-19 vaccination sites. Febin, by the way, thank you very much. They are located in Kingsport and Elizabethton. Again, appointments are for those 16 and older. Open tomorrow. Essentially, we're dropping the phases. To make an appointment, call 833-8-BALLAD. That's 833-822-5523.